Hello everyone and thank you for joining me on yet another presentation. Today I am going to take you through the latest processing numbers which was posted by Alberta. So 20th February is the date on which Alberta posted, so which is a little over a week earlier. And here, apart from the regular disclosures and data, I see no improvement in this particular section. We are still awaiting allocation of 4875 nominations for 2025. This can take some time. Last year, I think it was declared sometime in April or May, in fact, the allocations for 2024. Let's see at the numbers now. AOS. AOS is right now processing at 17th of June 2024. So well over 9 months backed up. They already have 573 nominations issued for 2025. And again, I would like to emphasize these could be from the applications of last year. So they still have 2089 applications in the queue for AOS. So keep that in mind. Rural renewal stream, 19th February 2024, for applications without a work permit. These would be people who are applying outside of Canada. And then June 5, 2024 would be people who are applying with a work permit. So this is also backed up pretty much. Like for people who are already applying with a work permit, it's backed up almost 9 months. Tourism and hospitality stream, November 27th, 2024. 12 nominations issued till now. Healthcare pathway is an interesting pathway for 2025. And you would see that it is processing at 9th of February 2025. So less than a month backed up. This is some of the most current numbers you would see in this processing data. It has just issued 10 nominations right now and 33 applications to be processed, but still it's an important factor for 2025. Express entry stream. Here also you would see the only stream that is in 2025 is the dedicated healthcare pathway. So I have a theory about dedicated healthcare pathway. I will take you to that particular section in another video. I'm going to make another video on the dedicated healthcare pathway itself and what to expect and then how to go about it and who is more suited for it. So wait for that particular video. But in the meantime, have a look at the data. Tech pathway is backed up almost 8 months, more than 8 months, actually 10 months. Law enforcement pathway, not a significant number. Priority sector, November 2024. So this is still a bit current than tech pathway, but still in last year. So that's the status of the express entry stream. We have not seen much movement right now, but we will see as we go ahead. Obviously, you need to keep in mind that now we are working with only 4,000 odd applications. Expression of interest. Let's see. Expression of interest pool. It is now at 47,000 people are waiting in the queue. Most people are in the AOS queue as expected. Healthcare has a queue of only 1,067 for both the express entry and non-express entry. The next highest is tourism and hospitality, followed by, let's see, rural renewable stream, then priority sector. See, tech pathway and family connection are are at the lower end of the people who are waiting in the queue. Okay, let's look at the latest draw numbers. Last time we discussed, I think, till this 7th February, but now the latest numbers are out. 2 more draws have been done for dedicated healthcare pathway. One for AOS under the construction and one for tech pathway. Look at the numbers and the number of invitations issued. So if you look into dedicated healthcare pathway, 51 was the score and 9 invitation issued, and then 47 was the score and 32 invitations were issued. What I'm seeing interesting is that anything other than dedicated healthcare pathway would have a score in 60s. right? Dedicated healthcare pathway still has number in low 50s and even some in high 40s. So this can be an indication for things to come in 2025. Let's see. I may be wrong, I may be right. But as I said, I am more interested in dedicated healthcare pathway this year because it is showing most promises. So out of what, 8 draws done this year, 4 have been done for dedicated healthcare pathway, and most of the invitations have gone to dedicated healthcare pathway also. So this is a good stream to look out for in 2025. Okay, so yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this particular video. Go take you through the latest processing numbers, how those look, and reach out to me if you have questions. I will put out the QR codes here so that you can join the group. I have disabled membership of my group, and then I am trying to find out another way of monetizing the content apart from the usual YouTube content. I'll come up with some changes right now. So yeah, I'm still open to one-on-one discussions. Reach out to me if you can, and these groups are always free to join. Thank you everybody for joining, and I will see you in the next one.